Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you know would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 150. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 8. No help here. 2, 3, 8. Same here. 2, 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. No help here. 1, 2, 3. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 3. We've got 2 and 3 here, so that means this is our 1. And we can get rid of this 1. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. No help here. 2, 3, 5. We've got 3 and 5 here. So that means this is our 2. That makes this our 3. This our 5. And that 3 makes this our 2. And that 2 makes this our 8. And we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 2 here and a 5 here. So this is our 4. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 4 here means this is our 7, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 5. No help here. 1, oh, sorry, the 1 here. So 3, 5. 1 and 5 here means this is our 3, 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 9, 2. And that 9 makes this our 6. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.